Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick little share. I made some cards and I received these dies, and I just made some samples of the dies I received. I did get these dies from my niece who blessed me with like 4 boxes, maybe not that many, but of scrapbook and card making supplies that aren't even open. They're like Karen Foster shaker card kits. Like I got 3 of those, not even open. I got 4 scrapbooking albums, not even open, and all the stuff that comes with it. Like I think the scrapbooking ones was KNC Company. Oh my gosh, she like totally blessed me. So anyway, the dies that I received were Gemini dies. I don't have a Gemini, however, I ran them through my Sizzix machine. They seem to work pretty fine, but let's see. So this is one of them, and it is a snowflake die, and this is how it cuts out. So that's how it cuts out. Sorry, the glare, yeah. And so that's one of them. And then I did receive this die that just has Mod Podge of words, all different ways. And this is how this one cuts out. And there's the die. So they're big dice. And then the last one I got was this Christmas tree die, and this is how this one cuts out. So let me share. I made 2 cards with the Christmas tree and the word die. So let me show you. And of course, as soon as I saw these, I was like, shaker all day, shaker. So that's what I did. And this is the Christmas tree die with the shaker pieces. And then I just need to, I'm probably going to add a sentiment here. And I was thinking of adding, I have some, what are they, like Gemmy Mickey heads, maybe? I don't know. But that's the first one I made, and this is the word one I made. And I have to add the sentiment. Maybe I'm not going to put a sentiment on the inside since there's lots of words on the front. But yeah, that's how this one came out. So both of those. So yeah, just a quick share. Thank you for all my subbies. And welcome to all my new subbies. Thank you so much for joining me here on my crafting journey. If you're new here, like and subscribe to continue joining me and watching more videos like these and others. I do hauls. I'm into Disney, so I do a lot of Disney stuff. I do crafting, so if that's something that's up your alley, I would love for you to join me. And hope you guys are having a great and crafty day. Like and subscribe here for more videos. And until the next time, shakas!